What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Darth Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Smash that like button, by the way. So I got three cheap, high-yield dividend stocks to buy. These are in the financial sector. As I always say, take it to the bank. These are high-yield dividend stocks. These are ones that are in demand. Now, with the financial sector, they took a huge nosedive because of the pandemic. Remember, real estate sector and financial sector, these guys are still trying to recover post-pandemic. So these are stocks that you need to capitalize on. And again, if you're new to this channel, these videos are all free to you. So you just smash that like button, you hit that subscription, and you hit that notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I try to get at least 4 videos a week, even when I'm busy in nurse practitioner school. So these are all for you guys. These are stocks that are on my mind, and everything's free for you guys. So let's check these out right now. That first stock is Investors Bank Corp. Symbol is ISBC. It is sitting at $14.10. It has a 3.97% dividend yield, a PE ratio of 11.43, the volume of 2.92 million, market cap of 3.48 billion. The year range was $6.74 to 15.71. Kudos to you guys if you got the dip, man. Whoo, that looks pretty good at 674. How are these guys doing financially, and what are they about? So we need to look into these guys before decisions need to be made. So Investors Bank welcomes you to enjoy the wide range of personal, small business, and commercial banking solutions, including checking accounts, saving accounts, mortgages, and more. Bank online in any New York or New Jersey locations. So this is a very interesting stock. It's actually pretty popular around the area, and it's actually doing very well revenue wise, which I'll show you. You know, as I say, take it to the bank. Bank stocks generate so much money. Think of credit cards, think of mortgages, think of buying a loan for a car. These guys are making money and they know what they're doing. And again, you have to be really stupid as a bank to really go out of business. It's either you get bought off, sucked in, or you just fall apart. And these guys know what they're doing. Obviously, they're going up. Now you can play the pandemic card right here. This is in millions of US dollars, but it has slowly increased. Okay, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, it's going up. And again, these guys are making money. People are buying cars like crazy. People are getting loans out for houses. I mean, they're buying a crap load of houses, and they'll pay like 50, 60, 70, $80,000 above the normal value of it. People are actually buying cars over the Kelley Blue Book value. It doesn't make any sense, but these guys are capitalizing on people's stupidity in the way that they're not very smart, and people want the instant gratification, and that's the problem with people spending is the instant gratification. They don't do their research. They don't look at the Blue Book value. They don't look at the house value. They just try to outbid someone, and that's just crazy. I would never go for a house $80,000 above what it was, or 50,000. My friends tell me that all the time. They're selling real estate in Northeast Ohio, and they don't even get it. But people are that crazy because they got to have a house, they got to have a car, you know, and that's just crazy. And let me show you their dividend history. I mean, I don't understand. Again, I'm going to say this, that the people who are not doing any research and they're just gunslinging, buying stuff. And I apologize. Shouldn't say stupidity, but it's just impulsive, like decisions. It's not thinking. It's not making actions. That's these people just want this instant gratification. That's just how it is nowadays. I mean, people are willing to take a shot instead of just actually losing weight and putting in the effort. I mean, it's crazy. So let me just show you its dividend history. 4 cents, 5 cents, 6 cents. It hit 10. That's just like a one time thing. 4 cents, 5 cents, 6 cents, 8 cents, 9 cents, 11 cents, 12 cents, 14 cents. It's going up. Dividend yield of 3.91%, $14.10, a PE ratio 1137. How do you say no to that? That is ISBC. Let's check out the next dividend stock. Again, I'm going to jump into Regions Financial. RF is a symbol. I bought the dip on these guys, and I really capitalized on that when these guys took a huge nosedive when the pandemic hit. I got them right around huge dip, and then I sold them for a profit and threw them in my other dividend stocks. But it has a dividend yield of 3.39%, PE ratio 7.89. Market cap is 19.13 billion. These guys are huge, actually. Bank, which I'll show you in a second, and their revenue has done fantastic as well as their dividend history. So let's check these guys out. These guys are doing very well in Indianapolis, and they're just, I mean, they're out here as well in the South. They are in North Carolina. They're in right over here in Tennessee. They're in a lot of locations. They're actually pretty big in the South as well. So there's also a few of them in, appears to be, where are we at? Tennessee over here. So they're pretty dominant in the South as well as other locations. So let's just say the whole northeast side and a little bit of the South. That's pretty big as a location. There's also, Indiana, there's Illinois. So these guys are pretty big. How are they doing financially? And again, they're slowly increasing. You can play the pandemic card. These guys are slowly jumping up revenue wise. So this is in millions of US dollars, 5,000, then 6,000. Hopefully it'll get to 7 in 2021. We'll see how they're doing. But they have a lot of locations. So, they are pretty big and they are pretty dominant. So let me show you their dividend history. They have a 3.03% dividend yield. Not bad. I would consider that's considered high yield, usually 3% or above in many websites and many investors and bloggers. PE ratio 7.92. If you look at it, it goes from 3 cents, 7 cents, 9 cents, 14 cents to 15.5 or 0.155. And it's increasing its dividend over time. That's very attractive. It's 3%. It's sitting at $20.04. Let's jump to the next dividend stock. This one is Huntington Bank shares. I own this one. I'm long in these guys. Very nice dividend yield, 3.91%. So I like to compare these. Are these cheap? Are these actually worth it? Are they good against? Are these good bank stocks? So I do a lot of digging with a lot of bank stocks that are in demand and doing very well. And this was actually a tough video. I had to do a little bit of digging. I did a lot of comparing. I know I mentioned Regions Financial and Huntington Bank shares, but these ones are hot right now. It's sitting at 1536, 3.91% dividend yield. I own this one. I'm long in it. It has, I got the dip, held on to it, sold it, and then I rebought it. So I'm riding the dividends. Its revenue has jumped up like crazy. And let me show you its dividend history. The reason I didn't show you financially how it's doing, I have posted previous videos on these guys, and I don't want to waste your time with that. They have done phenomenal with their revenue. And look at their dividend, 4 cents, 5 cents, 6 cents, 7 cents, 8 cents, 15 cents, PE ratio 10.82, and dividend yield 3.86, annual dividend 60 cents, $15.36. I got a bonus stock for you. I own this one and I'm long on them. And this is definitely a nice financial sector stock, a good bank stock. Let's check that out. And I have done numerous videos on KeyCorp. Financially, they've been doing phenomenal. A 3.68% dividend yield, a 8.68 PE ratio. The year range is 1133 to 2365. Kudos if you bought the dip. I did buy the dip. I'm long in these guys. I'm reinvesting the dividends. As I showed you in my previous videos, financially they're doing very well and very strong. And I'm going to show you their dividend history. 6 cents, 7 cents, 8 cents, 9 cents, 10, 18 cents. It's sitting at $20.12. PE ratio 8.67. Dividend yield of 3.64%. Annual dividend of 74 cents. What a hot dividend stock that is increasing its dividend over time, increasing its price per share slowly. I absolutely love this one. I mean, I rebought it, long in it, holding on to it, reinvesting those dividends. What a great bank stock. So let me know what you think of this video. If you guys are new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Tomorrow, I'm going to actually switch things up a little bit. And I think you guys might like this. And I think this may be a new trend that we can do on this YouTube channel. I think you guys would like this. It is going to be top dividend stocks, of course, but I'm going to integrate it with a few things, and I think you guys might like this. So you guys take care and have a good one. Don't forget to smash that like button. Make sure you subscribe. And again, these videos are free for you guys. So you guys take care and go Bucks. That's why I'm home with my parents. I'm going to watch the game with them.